Hello everyone! Today we'll learn how to find the area of a sector of a circle. First, let's define sector of a circle. A sector of a circle is the region bounded by an arc of the circle and the two radii to the endpoints of the arc. In this circle, this is what we call circle C. We have two radius. We have the radius CA and the radius CB. And we have this arc from point A to point B, and this part is what we call sector of a circle. In short, a sector is the portion or part of a circle between two radii and the arc. In finding the area of a sector of a circle, we have some steps to follow. We have three steps. For the step number 1, we determine the ratio of measure of the arc over 360. For the step number 2, find the area of the circle. And the area of the circle is A is equal to pi r square. For the step number 3, get the product of the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360 and the area of the circle. So again, to find the area of a sector of a circle, get the product of the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360 and the area of the circle. So in short, the formula of the area of a sector is equal to A is equal to the measure of the arc over 360 times the area of the circle. To understand better, here's our first example. We have the spinning wheel with 6 colors. In a spinning wheel, there are 6 colors equally divided. The radius of the circle C is 10 cm. If the measure of arc AB is 60 degrees, what is the area of a sector ACB, which is the colored part of the wheel? Now, let's illustrate. Now we have the circle, C, and we have two radius, the radius CA and the radius CB. So the given are the arc and the length of the radius. So in this problem, the given arc is 60 degrees and the length of the radius is 10 cm. So we will going to find the area of the sector ACB. To find the area of a sector ACB, let's first identify the given information. We have the radius r and the measures of the arc. So in our problem, the length of the radius is 10 cm and the measure of the arc is 60 degrees. For the step number 1, we determine the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360, which is 60. The measure of the arc is 60 over 360. Then the next step is to simplify 60 over 360. To simplify 60 over 360, we will divide it by the greatest common factor, or we will divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF, which is, the GCF is 60. So now 60 divided by 60 equals 1, and 360 divided by 60, the answer is 6. Therefore, the simplest form of 60 over 360 is 1 over 6 or 1/6. Now let's have step number 2. We will find the area of the circle. Okay, so the formula is A is equal to pi r square. Note that pi is equivalent to 3.1416. Then let's substitute the value. We have the area is equal to pi and r is the radius, which is our radius is 10 cm. So we have now 10 cm, then we square. Next, we simplify. We have A is equal to 10 square. We multiply 10 2 times, so 10 times 10 is 100. Then we have centimeter square. Then we have the pi. For the next step, we substitute the value of pi. So now we have 100 times the value of pi. We have 3.1416. Then we have the centimeter square. Then we multiply. A is equal to 314.16 square centimeter. So this is the area of the circle. Okay, again, the area of the whole circle. And for the next step, we apply the formula of area of a sector, which is the measure of the arc over 360 times the area of a circle. So we have now A is equal to 1 over 6 times the area is 314.16 square centimeter. And then let's simplify. Let's multiply 1 times 314.16 centimeter square. So we have 314.16 square centimeter over the denominator 6. And then let's divide 314.16 divided by 6. The answer is 52.36 square centimeter. So it means that the area of the sector of a circle is approximately 52.36 square centimeter. So again, given the circle and the information of the radius and the arc, which is 60, and the length of the radius is 10 centimeter, the area of a sector ACB is approximately 52.36 square centimeter. When we say approximately, means not exact but very close to the actual value. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.